Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop-down list in AppSheet. First of all, you need to create your very own app, either starting with existing data, with a template, or even a blank app, and a database whether it's new or imported from Sheets. Because for this video, I'm going to show you both the drop-down list in both the databases and the app. First off, let's go with the database. In here, I have an untitled database. Now, let's go over how to add a drop-down list. Press down Add Column right here. Now, you can name this whatever you want, but you have to make sure that whatever drop-down that you have correlates to whatever you're adding. For this one, let's just go with drop-down. I'm just going to name this Country. And in here, you can input any value that you want. For example, I'm going to add the Philippines, the USA, and Australia. And that's pretty much it. Let's just close this one, and then press Save. Once you've done that, you can see the new column right here on the country. You can see the button for the drop-down right here. Once you press it, you can choose any of the three that you want, either the Philippines, USA, or Australia. Once I click on it, you see there, USA, Philippines, and then Australia. For the app, these are the apps that I'm going to be showcasing. Just press Create, go to App, and then press Blank App. It's going to give you another template as well, same way for the database. Let's go for the new app. And usually the template that you see has this enum right here. This is also a drop-down list. Press down this button right here for edit. And as you can see, there's not started, in progress, complete. Just make sure the type is also enum, or you can even choose enum list. Now we can add another one, let's say, discarded. Once you're okay with everything that you changed, just press done. And that's how to add a drop-down list in AppSheet.